Where's Tom, Rob? Where's Tom?
All right.
Where's Tom?
All right, Cal.
All right. How are you?
All right. How you doing? I got some bad news. He's not here.
He's not here.
No, hey, don't boo Kelly. Come on. He sent me a text.
Yeah.
It simply said, Mama told me not to come.
Oh. Well,
I say text, actually it was a WhatsApp.
It was a WhatsApp, was it? He's very up on it.
He said the thing is, with a WhatsApp, you don't have to pay.
Well, do you fancy singing it instead? Or you could give him a man in the box. Anybody want to hear the man in the box?
You won't? They don't want
You have to be quiet though.
You've got to be quiet.
There's a curfew.
Curfew. Here it comes. They don't want to hear me singing with you. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. It's Christmas.
Let's do it. Happy Christmas.
Sugar in my tea. What's all these crazy questions they're asking me? This is the